let's learn the definition of logarithm. When you hear the logarithm of a number, what does it mean? Definition of logarithm. The logarithm of a number in a base b is the power to which the base is raised to give that number. Let's look at an example to explain this definition. For example, the logarithm, the log, we use this shortened form for the logarithm, the log of 1000 in base 10, written as log, the base is written down as a suffix like this, 10 of 1000, would be equal to 3. Why? Because 1000 equals 10, the base, raised to the power of 3. And just like we said from the definition, the logarithm of a number is in a base b is the power to which the base, that is here, the logarithm of 1000 here is going to be the power to which the base is raised to give back this number. So 10 raised to the power what will give us 1000? We have 10 raised to the power 3. So that's why the logarithm to base 10 of 1000 is 3. But there are other bases. It can be in other bases also. That is, we can have logarithm can also be in other bases, such as we can have the logarithm to base 2 of 8, and this is also going to give us 3. Why? Because 8 equals the base 2 raised to the power of 3. Also, logarithm to base 5 of 25 would be equal to 2, because 25 equals 5 raised to the power of 2. Now, this logarithm can be used in calculation, but the logarithm used in calculation is usually the common log, which we refer to as the logarithm in base 10. And whenever you see any log without any base, that means they are always in base 10. So let's write that down. Logarithm used in calculation are often in base 10, and its base is not usually written. For example, when we see log of 100, this is the same thing as log to base 10 of 100, and this is equal to 2 because 100 is 10 raised to the power of 2. Thank you.